Injury scare for KKR skipper Gautam Gambhir as he undergoes MRI scan. Now, Gautam had MRI scan on shoulder after last match against the Mumbai Indians. However, the KKR team management has said that Gautam's MRI scan was just precautionary and nothing serious to worry about. I've got Shobit with me on the phone line. Shobit, how threatening is that injury?
Well, Padam, Gautam Gambhir had an MRI scan on his shoulder. The visuals you can see on the screen. Gautam held his shoulder after throwing a delivery from the boundary during the match against the Mumbai Indians. Now, he had been taking some precautionary medicines earlier, but he experienced some additional pain, as you could see him after throwing this delivery, and after that was taken for an MRI scan. Now, we spoke to the KKR team management. They have told us that the scan was strictly precautionary at that moment. However, the team doctor will be analyzing the report today itself, and But according to KKR team management, Gautam Gambhir should be taking the field against Mumbai Indians today. There were earlier reports which suggested that the injury might be serious and that Gautam might miss out on the tour of West Indies. There's no clarity on that, although the KKR team management have said once again that the shoulder injury and the shoulder scan was strictly precautionary at that moment. Now, why it's serious for India is because Virender Sehwag is already out because of a similar pain in the shoulder. He had a surgery on his injured shoulder earlier this month. Now, even Virender Sehwag is out of the tour of West Indies. So if Gautam Gambhir is also missing, that will mean two frontline openers for India would be missing for the tour of West Indies. But before that, it's important for KKR that Gautam Gambhir takes the field today in their playoff eliminator against the Mumbai Indians if the Knight Riders stand any chance of reaching their first IPL final and a step closer to their first IPL trophy.
Shobit, one small question is that do you see a half-fit Gambhir taking the field today, considering that he has that niggle, and as you rightly said that you cannot keep Gautam Gambhir out because he's so very vital for their plans, not only as a batsman but also as a wicket as the captain?
Absolutely, Gautam Gambhir's presence is vital for KKR today. Now, Gambhir has been leading the side from the front. He has been the person around which this new KKR side has been built, and he has led KKR to their first ever playoffs. So Gambhir is very essential for KKR that he takes the field. But on a personal level, Gautam Gambhir would like to, if the injury is serious, Gautam Gambhir would like to definitely rest from the remaining two IPL matches and be ready for national duty when the tour of West Indies comes in just a few days' time.